A first draft is your first attempt at telling your story from beginning to end. It is not about perfection or polished sentences. Instead, the goal is to get your ideas onto the page, no matter how messy they might seem. Remember, every great story starts with a first draft, and it is completely normal for it to feel rough at this stage. Before you begin writing, take a moment to review your brainstorm. Look over your notes and ask yourself a few important questions. Who is my main character? What problems do they face? How does the story end? If you are given a prompt, read it again to make sure your story matches what is being asked. This step helps you focus your ideas and ensures your story stays on track from the very beginning. Now it is time to turn on your storyteller mode. Imagine you are telling your story out loud to a friend. Say it from beginning to end, adding details as you go. Think about what your character sees, hears, and feels. Use imagery to paint a picture, figurative language to make comparisons, and dialogue to bring your characters to life. Do not forget to include transitions like then, later, or suddenly to keep your story moving smoothly. If you can say your story, you can write it. With your story fresh in your mind, start writing your first draft. You can type it out or use a tool like Google Docs with speech to text if that helps you get your ideas down faster. If you choose speech to text, speak clearly and let the computer type for you. Do not worry about spelling or punctuation right now. The most important thing is to write down the story you just told out loud. Transitions are key to making your story flow. They help the reader understand when something happens or what comes next. Use words like at first, then, next, later, suddenly, after that, and finally. These words guide your reader through changes in time, place, or action, making your story easier to follow. Every story needs a clear beginning, middle, and end. Do not stress about grammar or spelling yet. That comes later. Your first draft is finished when your story has a beginning, middle, and end, and your ideas are on the page. Remember, brainstorm first, tell your story out loud, add details, and do not aim for perfection. First drafts are for ideas, not perfection.